So the video clip you just saw was my attempt on speed ramping in Filmora. If you want to know how to speed ramp in Filmora, then stick around. I will show you how, so stay tuned.
Welcome guys, today I will show you how to create speed rampings in Filmora 9. Now I have to sort the video footage a little bit, so I need this clip. This clip is my first clip. Which makes it easier to use. Let's go. So that's clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. I'll render this really quickly and I'll be right back. Okay, render completed. Now let's go to sample colors. This one is very important. We grab a black, we trim it down to what our liking, which is about half the size of this clip, like so. Let me see how that works. I think, no, this needs to be smaller. Okay, we can go a little bit like a quarter. So boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that would work. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to keep it here. We're going to grab our playhead right there, trim the bottom clip. We're going to lock this clip really, actually no, we're not going to lock that, sorry. We're just going to grab and hold, and we grab it right here. Okay, my playhead was practically there. Okay, and now we grab this bottom clip and we trim that, and we do that all 4 places. Just like so. Trim this one. And we trim the last one now. Okay, there we go. And now we go back. So this one is supposed to be the slower version and this is the faster version. So we speed it up. You can do any speeding up. So it's very simple. I'm going to speed this one up times 5 because if I do it times 10, which most speed ramping is done at times 10, but I mean, I guess I can do. Let's just go to times 10. Makes it better. Boom. And this one also times 10. So why you wanted the black bar that I just showed on top was very simple, because then every trim will be the same length and there will not be like a longer one and a shorter one creating this weird effect. But by the way, I'm just gonna delete this black right now. There we go. Do the same right over here. So these are really nice transitions. I love these transitions. I am always a big fan of speed ramps. So boom. And then now this one. Oh, not the color grade section. You can color grade them as well. I would highly suggest, if you're doing this in your project, color grade them. I color graded my project. It gives you a lot better effect. Anyways, let's just look at this. I'm not gonna turn off the sound. I'm just gonna keep it like that because the rain sounds awesome. See how beautiful that is? Now let's add a little bit of an audio track. Let's say this one. This will work. Yep. This will work. I am looking for a nice place to trim it. Maybe something like this. Oh, didn't I cut it? Okay, there we go. That's where we want to have it. We want to have it that right over here. A little bit more. A little bit more. Nope. Now it's easy to, oh, now we can just adjust it. There, that's nice. And now just put it there. We can put one of these. Boom. Nice. And that is how you speed ramp in Filmora 9.
If you like this tutorial, then I would love for you to subscribe, leave a like down below, and comment down below what next effect you want to learn. Any effect. I can do a bunch of effects. And by the way, I also have a couple of affiliate links down below. You can check those out. It'll support the channel if you're looking for something like that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.